jumping, Joel. That frog is doing some serious... Whoa, and that frog is jumping from lily pad.